Hey quiz legends, welcome back to EcoQuiz. Get ready to think fast. You have 5 seconds for each round. Every correct answer gives you 1 point. Keep track. Drop your final score in the comments. All right, let's kick off round 1. Heart, nice start. Your pulse is strong today. All right, here comes your next one. Get ready. Brain, big brain energy right there. Let's see how sharp you stay with the next one. Eye, you clearly spotted that one. Focus up, the next one is coming. Lungs, you're breathing through this quiz. Inhale, exhale. And guess the next one. Ear, you're definitely listening closely. Open your ears, the next question is loading. Liver, you're filtering these answers like a pro. Let's see if you can digest the next one. Stomach, you nailed that one. All right, let's see what your gut says about the next. Nose, you sniffed out the right answer. Take a whiff of this next challenge. Kidney, you're keeping the quiz flowing. Time to filter out the wrong answers in the next one. Mouth, well spoken, my friend. Okay, say the name of this next one if you know it. Intestines, you really digested that answer. Let's see if this next one goes down smoothly. Tongue, sweet answer. Stick your tongue out and taste this next challenge. Skin, you really nailed the surface level details. Let's see what you uncover next. Finger, you pointed straight to the right answer. Point your brain at this next one. Bladder, you held on to that answer perfectly. Let's see if you can hold on for the next one. Knee, you kicked that answer straight in. Brace yourself, here comes the next question. Pancreas, sweet guess, literally. Let's see how you... Back, you've got this quiz on your back. Up, next one coming in. Tooth, you bit right into that answer. Show your brightest smile for the next one. Neck, you wrapped that one up perfectly.